Hey guys, this is Lakshya and you are watching me on Python Baba. So today we will discuss this pattern that is alphabetically D safe. So without wasting time, let's get start. So take a IDE. Take a new file. So here number of rows are 10 and columns are 7. So for this, for row in range of 10 and for column in range of 7, so we require some condition. If see here, if column is 0, then we want to print. Okay, so for this row, this column we want to print first. Okay, so for this condition is if column is equals to 0, then we want to print or. For another we have to take for this, and for this we want to write condition. Okay, so see here, the row is 0 or row is 9th. Okay, 0 to 9. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so we want to print. Okay, up to what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, up to 4 we want to print. Okay, so for this we have to write condition if or. Okay, or row is equals to 0 or row is equals to 9 and column in range of up to 5. Okay, 5 is not taken, 0 to 4. Okay, so if row is 0 or 9, then we want to print stars. Okay, or for see here, or this column is done and this row is done and this row is done. Okay, so then we want to print this. Okay, so if column is 6th, okay, if column is 6th and row in range of, so up to 7 we want to print. Okay, so write condition for this, or column is equals to 6 and row in range of 2 to, see here once again, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have to write here 8. Okay, or we have to also write code for this. Okay, this star and this star. Okay, so if column is 5th, column number is 5th, then we want to print or column is equals to fifth and row is equals to 1, or take it in one bracket because this is one condition. Or see here, if row is 1 or row is 8th, okay, then we want to print row is equals to 8, then we want to print. Okay, so after this we want to print stars, then end is equals to 1. Else we want to print some space. Also here and is equals to comma. After each column we want to print one new line. Okay, so save this. This is for D, then save, then run this model. Perfectly, it's printing D. So guys, if you learn something from this video, then please share this video, like this video, and please subscribe this channel. And if you have some doubt about this, then please comment me. I will try to solve this. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.